Assalamu alaikum. This is Ammar and today our topic is gradient of perpendicular lines. I have two lines in front of me which meet at an angle of 90 degrees. Basically, lines which meet at 90 degrees are referred to as perpendicular lines. So, what can we say about the gradient of perpendicular lines? Well, line 1 equation would be y is equal to m1x plus c1, and similarly the line 2 would bear the equation of m2x plus c2. Now there is a condition that we use for perpendicular lines, that is m1 multiplied by m2 is equivalent to -1. That means the product of the gradients of perpendicular lines is always equivalent to a -1. So now that we have studied this concept, let's say how you guys can use this to solve questions. I have a question here. It says the coordinates of 3 points are this, this and this. Find K if AB is perpendicular to BC. So let me make the condition first. AB is perpendicular, that is the sign you use for perpendicular lines, to BC. So I know if AB is perpendicular to BC, then I could apply the condition of MAB, that means the slope of AB times the slope of BC would be equivalent to -1. So let's say I have to use the slope of AB and BC, and I have to find this coordinate K. So the slope of AB, A here is 1 and 1, and B here is -1 and 4. So A would give me x1s and y1s, and similarly B would give me x2 and y2. So y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 1, 4 minus by 1 would give me 3, and similarly x2 minus x1 would give me -1, that is x2 minus x1, that is a 1, and this is being multiplied by MBC is equivalent to -1. Alright, solving this I get 3 by -2 multiplied by MBC is equal to -1. So let's see what can I do for B and C. B coordinate again is -1, 4, and C coordinate is where your K coordinate lies, 6, K. Basically we are after this. So in this case of BC, my x1 and y1 would be from B, and x2 and y2 would be from C. So I'll just take out their slope, that is y2 minus y1, that would mean K minus 4, and x2, that is 6 minus x1, that would mean this. So minus and minus would result in a plus. So MBC is basically equivalent to K minus 4 upon 7. I could plug in place of BC, MBC, K minus 4 over 7. So this is -3 by 2 times MBC, that is K minus 4 over 7, and it would be equivalent to -1. So solving this equation, I know this is being multiplied, so what I can write it down like this: K minus 4, again 7 and 2 makes it 14, and here is a -1. So again, simplifying the equation, 14 goes on the other side, gets multiplied and K minus 4 and -3 is equivalent to -14, and similarly -3 is being multiplied over here, so on the other hand it would be divided. So K minus 4 is equivalent to -14 divided by -3. Minus and minus cancels each other, leaves us with only 14 over 3. So I have K minus 4 is equivalent to 14 over 3. Again, making K the subject, that means 4 has to go on the other hand side as well. 14 minus 3 minus 4 would become plus 4. Again, these are fractions and adding, so you have to take LCM. There is a 1 below 4. I have to get the denominator same, so I could multiply it by 3. Similarly for the numerator as well, I have to multiply it by 3. Both would make the denominator of 3. Here is a 14 and 4 times 3 is a 12. So 14 and 12, how much that gets us? Gets us 26 by 3. So there you have it, k's value is equivalent to 26 by 3. I could divide it as well and get the answer in mixed number. If you want that, you could do it also. So k is equal to 26 over 3. That's how you can use the concept of perpendicular lines in order to solve your questions. That's it. Thank you.